Welcome back, this is Mr. Tipton, and today we are graphing using intercepts. In previous videos we have talked about slope-intercept form and graphing from that, which actually I think is easier a lot of the time, not all the time, but most of the time. I'm just going to show you a different way to graph stuff today, and that's using the X and the Y intercepts. To find the X intercept, you substitute 0 in for Y, and then you solve. To find the y-intercept, you substitute 0 in for x, and then you solve. Let's show you what that means here. Here we have the equation of a line. It's in standard form. Again, in previous videos, I've showed you how to write a linear equation, and we'd have negative 2y is equal to negative x plus 4. Then divide by negative 2, divide everything by negative 2. We end up with y is equal to, let's see, that's 1x, or negative 1x, but it's positive, so half an x minus 2. Y-intercept is negative 2, slope is up 1 over 2, up 1 over 2, down 1, back 2. Okay, this is the line that this is the line that goes with this equation in slope-intercept form. I need to show you a different way. Okay, remember where that line is? I'm going to delete it or erase it here. To graph using the intercepts, like I said on the previous screen, to find the X intercept, or where the graph crosses the x-axis, you plug in 0 for y. Okay, so for x-intercept, 0 for y, and then we solve. Negative 2 times 0 is 0, so the x-intercept, I'm going to put it in a different spot, the x-intercept is equal to 4. Okay, so the line crosses the x-axis at 4. To find the y-intercept, we plug in 0 for x, and then we solve. Of course, there's nothing to do with that. So we've got negative 2y is equal to 4. Divide both sides by negative 2. And we get y is equal to negative 2. So our y-intercept, negative 2. It's the same line that we had before in slope-intercept form. And maybe even think this is easier. That's fine. I think it kind of depends on the equation that we have. But anyway, this is graphing using intercepts. Let's do it again for this one here. For the x-intercept, 0 in for y. So 2x plus 0 is equal to negative 10. So we really have 2x is equal to negative 10. Divide by 2, and x is equal to negative 5. The line represented by this equation will cross the x-axis at negative 5. Y-intercept, 0 in for x, plus y is equal to negative 10. 2 times 0 is 0, plus y is equal to negative 10. So basically y is equal to negative 10. The y-intercept. Now, again, this line should be straight. If I can draw it a little better. Yeah, that was terrible. Whatever. You get the idea. We find out where the line crosses the graph by plugging in 0 for x or 0 for y for the different intercepts. And yeah, that's it. That's all I have for you. Graphing using intercepts. If you have questions, write them down. We'll talk about them soon.